GM. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a 2FA key to your Fuse wallet, so you don't need to rely on the device. So if your device is lost or destroyed, or you don't need to rely on the cloud key. So if you lose access to that. So how do we do that? So in the Fuse wallet, if you head on over to the security tab and click on the dots next to cloud, you'll see there's an option to change 2FA key, and this will allow you to choose your Ledger Nano X. So the Nano X actually is the one which has Bluetooth. So we make sure that the Ledger is active and connected. Face ID to sign this off one final time. And what this will do is remove the cloud key and replace it with the Ledger, as you see there. And once you've got the Ledger set up, now you'll be able to set up some spending limits, so you don't need to carry the device with you. So it's a great feature, and it enables a few other features in Fuse Wallet. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.